Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Cinema Goggles. This is Vishali.
And I'm Vish.
And I'm Yugina. And today we have some special guests with us who are going to do this reaction video. So come on guys! Okay.
Okay, so guys, introduce yourselves.
I'm Devansh.
Hey, I'm Dave.
Hi, I'm Yuri. Hi, I'm Madan. Yes. So basically, we are going to do this reaction video with us for the very first time. And so, guys, it's basically BTS live performance video. And you guys know that I do BTS reaction, and these two do BTS reaction on our channel. So, what are your expectations? Let me ask today. So, Dave, what is your expectations about it?
Firstly, I don't know about BTS.
Obviously, you don't know about it.
You don't know anything about
मैं
BTS?
बहुत excited हूँ कि मेरा first time BTS video देखूँगा.
I know it's going
Oh,
to be
okay.
first time. Okay. So, Udi, what is your opinion?
Okay, so I know that they exist. Okay, I know they exist.
Yes.
But I hardly watch any shows about shows. So
Oh, well, my sister, we know about BTS, but we haven't watched anything that much.
And she was the one who reprimanded you by saying that, oh,
Yes,
that's
yes,
not
she
Suga, that's
is the
Suga.
one. Yes, she gave me punishment for pronouncing Suga's name wrong. So yeah, that's the face. And our puppy, our cute little, he's like a puppy of our
ये brown मुंडे है.
Brown Monday.
Okay, so Pransh, what do you think about BTS? What is your initial reaction?
I know a little bit. That
Okay.
They are from Korea.
Yeah,
And-
duh.
Yeah. And I'm impressed with two facts that
Okay.
they have #1 listeners on
Yes.
Spotify.
Yes.
The highest listeners.
Yes.
And second one about their
Oh.
ages. They are too young.
I didn't know that.
Yes.
Now that we
Yeah, they are young.
And you know one thing that I used to think BTS stands for behind the scene.
Behind the scenes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Duh, everybody
I
thought
think
that.
we should leave it. Like,
I used to think.
seriously, like behind the scenes, that's so dumb. No, it's not.
That's
behind
not
the
dumb.
scenes.
That's not dumb. That's
We all knew it. We all knew BTS standard for
behind the scenes.
That's
That's
just
not dumb, that's
the
comic.
most common thing ever.
Yeah. I just want to know Vardhan's thoughts on today's
Yeah.
video.
Okay,
The
we
cutie.
can get
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Let's talk about it. So, first of all, do you know what is Korea?
yes, Korea is a country.
Oh, wow, thank God.
Yay.
Yes, Korea is a country. So, today we are going to react to one boy band group from Korea, and which is known as BTS, and it's going to be a live performance. You know what is a live performance?
Yeah.
No, you don't know? So, basically, Mahapur, that people are performing live, and we are just watching it through our video. Okay? So, are you excited?
Yes.
Thank God. We
Yes.
want enthusiasm. We want excitement. Okay, guys. Come on, Mutgal. Say your
Okay, so today we are
reaction.
reacting to MMA 2018.
Yes.
And I think it has plenty of songs. It has Idol, Airplane Part 2, which we haven't heard yet. And also, which song? How many songs are there?
I don't know.
I'm not really sure, but there are going to be plenty of songs, and I'm very excited for that.
I'm excited too.
Yeah. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh wow.
There's a black screen. हाँ ये कैच नहीं करेगा आवाज बढ़ा दे.
Oh my God. Wow.
Okay, that does not look like
That
live
doesn't look
performance.
like
That's
stage.
giving
Yeah.
that spooky vibe.
Look-
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
really
looks like a music
MV.
video in itself.
It's an MV. You're wearing mask?
No.
That
That one. That's not a live performance. That's not a stage. That's not a stage. That, okay.
Whose voice is that? Aaron?
Written on the mirror.
I don't know. Who is that?
I'm saying something because I can't hear.
That's
This
cool,
mask
yeah.
is so cool.
Yeah, they are saying something, but we can.
I think this is some kind of promotional kind of thing.
All in the face.
Yeah, it's
The
some
mask is
promotion.
Okay, I'm-
so royal.
Okay, okay.
Is it sugar?
No, I guess it's.
How can you tell with that mask on their faces?
I don't know, it just gave me that sugar little vibes.
Super.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Now they're shiny. That's
Yeah,
it.
that's what I'm talking about. That's Jimin.
Love yourself. Let's love it. It's album.
Oh my god. Yeah. Jungkook.
Yeah.
Wow.
My man.
And J-Hope. J-Hope. Okay, so guys, these three are like the main dancers of the group.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, Aaron?
They definitely think I hear me.
Oh my god, they are taking it to whole another level. Whee!
This
Woohoo!
is so on point. Like, this is fair to lively picture.
Exactly. Chin. Look at the fans chanting.
The worldwide
Wow. Wow. That's really cool.
Yeah,
That's so freaking
nice.
cool.
Wait, they're falling there. Oh my. They always take their assignment seriously.
So freaking serious.
Yeah.
Is that weak? Yeah.
Yes.
Told you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like, you can literally just recognize him in the
Red
crowd.
hair.
Oh my god, look at this swagger.
Facial
I
out-
did not. I love this song. This was
This
the
is
first
hands
song
down
that I
my
just
favorite BTS
love.
song.
Yeah, that I just love. And I also love the choreography in it.
It's the best for me.
Yeah. Best BTS song ever.
I'm so sick of this fake love. Fake love. Fake love. I'm so sorry, but it's fake love. Fake love. Just like you. Just like you. Just like you. Who are you?
That Jungkook and RM moment right there.
Yeah.
I love this choreography. Love this choreography.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Look at him being on the center stage.
Nice.
Yeah.
This
wow.
song, whiskey.
Yeah.
This song always something else. I'm so sick of this fake love, fake love. Nice.
That just gives you goosebumps.
There comes
RM's voice is so powerful.
so powerful. So powerful. Oh my god, fans go crazy with Shibaki.
Come on.
Whoa.
He's a beast.
Yeah.
When it comes to rap,
Yeah.
he's a beast.
He technique wise, he's the best. Oh, this time his voice didn't crack. Oh!
Show us some abs. Come on.
Come on.
These steps are killer. These steps are
Wow. The song gives me chills, man.
okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Yes.
That
And you know, guys, they're actually singing live while dancing. That's the craziest part.
Yeah.
Feel them breathing.
Exactly. They have such control over their breath.
I am ready.
is. They're not humans. Come on. They're not humans.
They can be.
So, it looks like a cult. And they could start a cult right now.
Wow,
And would have
man.
millions of
Got
followers.
chills. Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay. I
And now they're gonna put the mask on, I think. Oh no.
the cinematic
deserve the
nature,
clap.
the cinematic nature of the performance. It's the cinematic nature of the
Yeah.
performance.
It's out of the charts.
It's always like that.
See the masks, the masks.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Airplane Part 2.
Airplane Part 2? Is that their song?
Yeah. That's a song, yeah.
Nobody has ever recommended it to us.
But I've heard this song.
So the whole
I haven't heard something and you have.
yeah.
Jan,
The mood changed. The mood
mood
changed.
changed.
It's so
It's gonna be like really. Come on.
Female version of John. Oh my god. Literally.
Jungkook just grooving on the stage alone.
I love my
Come
man.
on.
My
Yeah.
Let's go.
Charisma, man. It feels you.
Oh, that way. Oh,
Okay.
wow, it's such a groovy song.
Yes.
Also, their clothes.
Yeah.
Jungkook looks so pretty.
Who's not?
Fair point.
And look at this one. Look at this one. Look at that one.
This one, by this time, you have to take their names.
V with red hair.
J-Hope!
He's the best dancer.
Yeah.
I love
Look at them holding mics for him. Wow. That's such a cool step.
Yeah.
Well deserved. Yeah. Sugar looks like an exotic tourist right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woohoo!
His voice is so powerful.
So good. And so different. Never.
The whole mood changed in 2 minutes.
And it's
How do
gonna
you do
change
that?
again with
How
the
do you
next
do that?
song. It's gonna change again.
Yeah. It went from all, cult type,
Woohoo!
mysterious type, dark type to this bright, peppy, this
Okay.
groovy song.
You have watched this one?
What did he say?
Not this, but I've seen that.
What did he say?
It's the spring
Yes,
day.
the spring day. We haven't watched the spring day yet, but she has. So she
Is it?
What is happening?
They're showing an AV.
BTS!
Okay. We knew it.
Love.
Yeah. I can tell he's Aaron.
I feel like bowing from
Okay, here it comes. Another. They must be changing while this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They
fit
showed
it.
the AV like for their change up.
Yeah.
Nice trick.
I think that BFFs are always Nobody is doing everybody is there
J-Hope!
He's rising like a knight. Royal knight.
Damn.
Rise Sir Cheo,
Their traditional clothes.
the good knight.
We all want that clothes.
Wow. Wow.
Nice solo.
Yeah, like not just their songs, they're also doing choreography solo. That's just incredible. Jacket!
No man.
Yeah.
It's a type of dance form. Like, these clothes is a type of dance form, no?
Yeah, they're also wearing their traditional clothes.
I don't know. I have even seen
Wow.
songs in that Indian songs. Like, old Indian songs.
Oh wow, wow, that is so cool. Man.
The sound of the traditional music. It's
Yeah.
so nice to hear. It's so different. It's so good.
Exactly. I mean, that's the lead.
They are just taking it to a whole another level with every performance.
With every performance we're watching.
Wow.
Wow.
Love how they're like mixing their traditions with their performance.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at all those people just there for them, just cheering for them.
Okay, it's gonna be Idol, I'm sure. Yes, Idol.
How do
One of
you-
my favorite
how do
songs.
you know?
Coordination.
I knew by the music.
Yeah, yeah.
Mind planning.
Idol is my favorite.
Idol.
They changed the feel of the Idol song.
Everything.
They changed the feel.
Remember how we went crazy with the music video of this song?
Yeah.
I know what I want. I'm never gonna change.
Nice.
And the choreography is insane of the song. You can stop in love with My god, they completely changed the feel of the song. What happened?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Did the music got just lost?
Yeah.
I think that could be some
Oh
copyright
my god.
Yeah,
we were
I think we're
vibing.
not like watching the actual video, it's like an edited version.
issue. Yeah.
What the hell?
We were vibing.
Wait, don't pause.
I'm not
Don't pause.
Exactly.
pausing.
Let it be then. Oh my god, are we just getting
Yeah.
that without sound?
Let's just watch the dance moves without music.
It's okay, let's just enjoy the visuals, okay?
Yeah.
This is not the right video to that we chose.
Hmm.
Okay, you can stop
But
the
that
love
could
in
be
myself.
copyright.
We just did that. Oh.
No, that's
Yeah.
not the part there. That's the part where. Yeah, that's the part. Oh.
Nice.
Come on, we are supporting BTS.
Yeah. What is this? A silent concert?
It's a copyright issue. I'm telling you.
Yeah, of course it is.
So just enjoy. You know, take nothing away from that. She's trying to.
They're trying to enjoy it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Sugar's rap. We missed everything.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure. It's a copyright issue, I think.
Yeah.
That's why they muted it. Oh,
That's fine. We don't have to mute
It's
it.
about to end anyway.
Already mute it.
okay, they just finished it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, whatever.
It's
Nice
okay.
one.
God.
Okay.
Oh boy, that was a one great experience. Not the voice part, but yeah, before that, we were really vibing.
Yeah. Before Idol, yeah.
But Idol, I mean, look at that visuals which they gave while performing live, and before performing Idol, they actually had this skit. Oh my god. They always understand their assignment. They know what they have to do.
Yeah, I guess they are trying to, tell us something that what are you? You should not hide that. You should not wear
the case.
Yeah.
And that's
Right.
the word
That's nice.
name to say. Okay, boys. So, what is your reaction about it? So, this was your first video about BTS. Let me start with Priyavansh. So, tell me.
was amazing. It was like इतना
Yeah.
हार्ड वर्क एक वीडियो के लिए एक अपने कॉन्सर्ट के लिए कोई नहीं करता और इतना सब कुछ लाइक कोरियोग्राफी
And
फिर
everything is insane.
everything
Everything is
times
insane. Yeah, that's right. But what do you think?
They are very cool.
They are cool. Are you impressed with the performances?
Yes.
Okay, Dave, what do you think?
From today,
Uh-huh.
मैं तो इनका fan हो चुका
Okay, so
I
we
just
got
love
one more.
BTS.
Yes, mission accomplished.
Nami, you're there. Cool, that's
Yeah,
so
he
good.
became a fan.
You tell me now, Mudgal, like, what do you think about it? We have seen live performances, it was for Mama, I think it was Mama, right? Mama award show. So that was one, and this is our second.
MMA.
MMA? No, the early one which we did, the first live performance.
Yeah,
we did
that was
Mama. We
Mama.
did Mama.
Yeah, so tell me, like, this was our second view. What is your opinion about it?
I was really enjoying it from the start. Like they started with Fake Love, which is my favorite song of BTS, and it was insane. And I cannot even imagine how people who watched that live,
I know.
how they must feel. That was
Yeah.
crazy. And then they suddenly completely changed the vibe of the whole performance with Aeroplane Part 2, and that was so like that was
Yeah,
really
it changed the
yeah
whole mood of
groovy
the-
and completely different vibe. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then came Idol, which we did not get to see like that, but yeah, that was crazy too.
It was actually good.
And I completely agree with him. Like they put so much hard work when they don't even have to. They do not have to do that. They can just come and sing and go like any other artist, and they put so much efforts. Even put solo performances, which is insane level of hard work, and they deserve
Yeah.
where they are.
They do.
So I think three things.
Okay.
I
Okay,
love Jungkook the most.
Yeah.
I love Fake Love the most.
Yeah.
And I think, yeah, they're the biggest boy band in the world right now.
Yeah.
Yes,
No one
they
can
are.
compete
Like,
with
they
them.
are so
And
cool. Okay, they are so
Their
awesome.
performances,
They have
as
that-
our people tell us, are always the best. Are always like up to the level of their music videos.
Yeah, more than that. They put so much into
Yeah.
one performance. It's crazy,
The
man.
hard
They
work,
don't
yeah.
even have to do that. They do not have to do that. So many costume changes and then so many songs and then solo performance.
But you know, the love they give, the effort they give to their fans, the fans
Yeah,
give back.
They give
That's
back.
why they are the biggest
They are,
band.
Indeed, they are.
Yeah, they deserve to be where they are. Completely deserve.
They don't belong to this time.
It's a very, very good
Cosmic
relationship.
energy.
Oh
yes.
yes, they have that cosmic energy. Also, their songs they have that originality. And I have never heard that their songs got replicated.
Or they replicated. Yeah, I
Yeah.
believe so, yeah. I mean, their songs can be replicated, people can copy
Yeah.
it, but they never copy. That's the thing. Yeah. We love them.
Yeah, they never do. Even though they have been accused of, falsely accused of doing such things, they have been went through so much. But
You
yeah,
guys must be watching this video.
Yeah,
Also, I want to
obviously.
say about RM.
RM.
There's something about his personality,
Yeah,
about the
there
way
is
he looks,
something-
the way
yeah.
he stands on stage.
Like you
He
can,
just,
yeah.
he just takes your eyes towards
You
him.
can tell
He
that
just-
he's the leader. Can you imagine anyone else being the leader of
No.
BTS except RM?
No,
I
no,
can't.
No, I cannot. I cannot.
the way he stands,
had a
you
guard.
know, even when he's not in the middle,
Yeah,
even
yeah.
when he's standing somewhere, you know, far back
Yeah.
or far left,
You
far
can see
right,
the authority.
you know it's RM,
Yeah.
and he's the man.
Yes.
And
yes,
guys,
that's
did you find anyone particularly like better than the other, like your favorite?
No, I don't think.
Yeah, I don't
Do you
think so.
have any bias, boys or girl?
I have B. B is my
Yeah.
ultimate bias.
She is her bias, Mudgal.
Like, he is so cool.
Yeah.
What
And he
about
likes
you? Do you have any
Jungkook.
bias so far? Oh, she likes Jin.
Jin, okay, because he's worldwide.
Jin, really?
accent.
Yeah, Jin is cute just like him.
Moses.
Yeah.
Do you have any bias?
अभी names ही नहीं पता है कि
Yeah, he's not even aware about
No, of course he
it.
doesn't have any bias yet. Yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
but
Yeah. But
But
do you
you
have
can-
anybody in
yeah.
particular? Like, no? Okay.
Nahin. Yeah, of course they don't have any bias
They
here.
just
They have
watch
just
it.
watched one performance and you can't even see their faces.
Yeah, but Pranshu loves Jin already. He loves Jin.
Really?
That-
Wow, that's great. That's great. He's worldwide handsome, you know.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah. I just had a whale of a time watching this with them. I mean, it was tremendously good. Like, I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know that Jin's mother used to be a model.
Oh!
Yes.
Jin's mother used to be a
Jin's
model.
mother.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, makes sense.
He's
Yeah,
well
yes,
managed.
exactly.
Makes sense.
Is it right? Are you
Obviously,
correct?
it's right, okay? It's
Yeah,
right.
because-
Don't correct me, it's right.
She's confident.
Hashtag research.
Hashtag Shuga, not Suga.
Yeah.
Okay, I think
Hashtag
that's
I
it.
know my BTS.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us today. We had a lot of fun with you. It was some other experience. Thank you so much. And also, since this is a BTS video, before wrapping up, I want to say one thing real quick. For all of you who are requesting us to do Boy With Love music video, as all three of us have already watched it, we are not going to do a reaction to it.
But we could do a revisit.
Yeah,
After
we
some
can
time.
do if you want, but just to let you know, we have already seen and heard the song.
We love it.
And we are not ignoring your recommendation. We've seen it. We've just seen the music video, so we are not doing
So
a
it could be a video, but it's not gonna be the first reaction.
yeah.
'cause
So
we
yeah,
watched.
just to let you know. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please comment down below more recommendations and subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Also, Vardhan have little something to say.
Yes, come on with that.
Please subscribe this channel.
Yay! Goodbye, guys.
So,
Bye.
yeah. Bye.
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 प्लीज इस वीडियो में सीरियसनेस चाहिए मेरे को
सब सीरियसनेस है.
ठीक है यहाँ पे फालतू मजाक नहीं हो
Seriousness.
तो फालतू में चिल्लाया मत करो मुझे आवाज नहीं आती और यहाँ से आ जाओ चुपचाप से खड़े हो जाओ जल्दी जल्दी एकदम
Yeah.
You tell me about it. Like, what do you think about it? We have seen live performances. Like, it was for Mama. I think it's Mama, right? Mama watch show. So, every, not early on the season, the first live performance. So, tell me.
Sorry.
Can't you hear me? What God? Am I not audible?
Network.
Now we can.
Yeah, so I'm just asking you.
Yeah, okay.
Now you tell me, this was like your second live performance today. Let me put on my goggles. Cinema goggles.
कर देना.